Squad. Today's conversation is going to be on the art of detachment. When it comes to different situations in life, you got to be able to remove yourself from the situation without holding on to it. So, like in my life personally, for me, I'm really good at detaching once something no longer serves its purpose. So say like if you got anything going on, it doesn't matter what it is, and you're dealing with a scenario, situation, relationships, job, a place where you stay at, doesn't matter what it is, you got to be able to have the means to remove yourself from the situation if it's no longer serving a purpose for you in a positive way. You know what I'm saying? So, like I said, for me, when I'm in my life, when I'm in something, like when I get into something, I'm fully invested into whatever it is that I'm doing. I'm fully going to invest myself into it, and ride it all the way out until I feel like it's not serving me the way that I need it to serve me. But the minute that I realize it's not, I'm really good at detaching myself and moving on with my life. Because if you let anything have a lot of power over you, then you're really not in control of your life. And I'm a person that likes to be in control of the things that I do on my day-to-day basis. So in order to be able to do that, you have to be able to remove your emotions and your feelings from a scenario and make a move in order to make that situation better for yourself. And it could be hard to do sometimes when you have so much time and energy invested into something, but you got to be able to do it, because if not, it'll end up destroying you in the long run by trying to hold on to whatever it is that you're trying to hold on to, instead of just letting it go and creating a new scenario that's going to work better and be more efficient for your lifestyle. So that's really what it comes down to when, like, the art of detachment. When you detach from things, you're just reclaiming your power that you had, and it might feel like a loss up front, but it's really not, because at the end of the day, once you get your power back, you can now divert that energy that you had and that you were putting into that said thing into something else. You know what I'm saying? So again, it doesn't matter what it is. It could be a job that doesn't suit you anymore, and you remove that energy from that job, you let it go, and then you find a different one. It could be a career path, or if you got a business, one doesn't work out, so you switch out to another one. It could be a relationship. It could be a multitude of things. It's just up to you to figure out what it is that is maybe holding you down or holding you back, or isn't working in the way that you would like it to work, and just making that decision to detach from it so that you can then move forward and attach yourself to something else that's going to create a better energy flow for your life. You know what I'm saying? Because, for me, it always comes back to energy. So that's just my words of wisdom today. Always be able to detach from a situation if you need to. That doesn't mean that you don't care about that situation anymore, but you're just realizing and recognizing that it's not serving a purpose. It's not working for you in your favor. It's not filling up your cup the way you need it filled up. So you have to remove yourself from that scenario so that you can get the sustenance that you need for yourself. That's some words of wisdom from me. I'm hoping that you're having a good day. I'm sending love out your way. Like and subscribe if you would like to, and I'ma holla.